Well, I do gotta say the music out here in North Chicago is a lot better. Anyway, here we are hive mapping on a Thursday. We drove from Atlanta to Chicago with 2 cameras, 1 in each vehicle. We submitted about 200,000 images between the 2 cameras last week. So what did that come out to today? Well, here we go. You can see this big list of map coverage that was submitted on 9/7. All of this added together is about 4,500 honey tokens. Well, right now with the price of honey at about a penny a token, that comes out to about 45 bucks. Gonna get you rich by any means, but it also didn't cost anything in power to have these things run while you're driving. Hopefully very soon in the next bull run. Who knows? Maybe that'll be worth a big old fat stack. Keep on mapping, motherfuckers.
Today was like one of those fine dreams. Didn't even see a berry flashing those high beams.